Hi guys! I recently had a chance to travel and I decided to bring along this new little watercolor travel set that I purchased from Artistro. It comes with everything you need. You can even fill the brush pen with water, so you don't need to carry water with you. And I was trying to capture different locations that I saw that I thought were beautiful. It was just super fun to do this, and I highly recommend you try it too. It just documents everything in real time, and it really gives the impression of the locations that you visit. If you do decide to get this set, there's a link at the bottom of my video and the code and the art that you can save 10% on this travel set. Enjoy!